Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, girlfriend. You know you want to, so that you are updated every time that I come out with a new video on y'all, alright? Today, obviously from the title, I am going to be reviewing, swatching, and playing around with the new Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This palette is super dope, and let me tell you why. When I first saw it on social media, I was like, I need to get my hands on this palette. Only because, not that I don't have any of these colors anywhere else, because I will be honest, I have it on a lot of palettes, but I ain't got them all on one palette. Not on one. Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But not on one. So I wanted to get my hands on it. It does retail for $49, which is not so bad for what you are getting. This is what it looks like on the box, and this is what it looks like once you take out the palette. It does have different pictures of different locations, i.e. Born to Run. When you open it up, Urban Decay has blessed us with 21 very glorious shades that range from matte shades to shimmer shades to metallic shades. When they are swatched, they are absolutely beautiful. I use no concealer or anything underneath these swatches, and they look absolutely beautiful on my skin complexion, and I'm very excited about that. It also came with a little book of stickers, so you get 2 full sheets of stickers that you can use as decal to put on anything that you have, cute little sayings and stuff like that, which is really cute. And they also came with these little decals, which are numbers and letters that you can like spell something. Of course you can't see it because it's all whited out, but it's there. And also for the free $9.99, which y'all know I like free stuff, don't we all? It also came with a sample of their new Naked Skin concealer, and I ain't mad at that. Y'all had to know that I was not about to dip into anything neutral in this palette unless it was a transition color. You had to know it. You just had to know. We know what our smoky eyes gonna look like. We know what, our gold lid and our little brown in the crease. We know what that's gonna look like. But what we need to find out is what these colors gonna do. What these colors talk about. How can we mix and match that? Y'all come here for the extraness, and that's what we're here for. We're gonna get extra. So, if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching, and I'll see y'all at the end. Alrighty guys, so I have been really excited about this review. Only because ever since I saw the palette like on social media, I was like, that palette looks dope, because it looks like you really can do a lot with it. First color I'm going to use is Riff, and I'm going to put that into my crease as my transition color. And honestly, I feel like this is going to be my transition color, like, period. They were not lying when I said that this palette pretty much is to be on the run. This is the only palette that you have to take. It has everything that you need. So I'm going to go into the color Radio, and I'm going to put that into my crease. And though this is a metallic blue, ain't nothing wrong with putting a metallic color in your crease. You just gotta know how to blend it. So with a concentrated fluffy brush, I'm gonna stamp it right into my crease where I want it. And I'm gonna do wiping motions to blend that in. And one thing that I will say about this palette is it does not have a lot of fallout, which is super dope. It also doesn't have a lot of kickback on the actual palette. You see me dip into this color right here? You don't get a lot falling out from the pan, which is dope, because nobody likes to clean up a mess. I know I don't. I'm just saying. So once that's blended the way that I want, I'm gonna go ahead in with my cut crease, and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape for this. And on the end of this, I'm just gonna taper it off a little bit, because that is gonna blend into the blue. So from there, we're gonna go ahead and start on the lid. I'm gonna go into the color Stranded first, and I'm gonna put that really close to my tear duct in the middle. So next to that, I'm gonna go into the color Smog, and I'm gonna blend that next to Stranded. And then from there, I'm gonna go into the color Guilt Trip, and I'm gonna blend that towards the edge. And I am gonna wet my brush for this one, because this purple color does pop really beautifully with a wet brush. Y'all see that? That is so freaking pretty. Y'all know these are the kind of colors that get me excited. My purples and my pinks. And I'm gonna brush that right on top of Smog. just to blend it in and make it kind of an ombre situation, you know, a little ombre situation shit. And from there, I'm gonna go back into Radio, and I'm gonna blend Guilt Trip into Radio into the crease. From there, I'm gonna go ahead with my liner, and for my liner today, I'm gonna use the liner that I've been using, which is my Pretty Vulgar, the ink liner. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my cat eye. So the lashes that I'm using today are from iikonn Eyelashes. They are 3D mink lashes, and they are absolutely beautiful. They are comparable to like Lily lashes, and let me tell y'all, I love me a long extra AF lash. So they are dope. I was lucky enough to receive these in PR. The packaging is super cute. It says life is short, your lashes shouldn't be. If that ain't the truth, I don't know what is. And if you want to save some money on this, you can look below. I have a discount code. Just put in Maya and you get 30% off. You know I'm all about saving that cash. The style that I'm using today is Drunk in Love. And honestly, y'all, these are some of the most high quality lashes I have ever gotten my hands on. Next to Lily lashes, these are dope. They're amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face real quick. So for my under eye, I do kind of want to continue the color. So I'm gonna start with Radio on the edges on the end, go into Guilt Trip, and then go into Smog. So in my tear ducts, I actually want to get a little bit creative. I'm gonna go into the color Big Sky, only because I want to bring that Radio dark blue color into the inner part of the eye. So I'm gonna wet my brush and I'm gonna put that in my tear duct. Yeah, I like that. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. It's a lot. That's why I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and line my bottom lash line with my gel liner, as well as put on my mascara. Then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. And for lips today, I'm really aiming towards doing a nude color. And I think it's obvious why. But something in me just wants to put on a purplish pink to match Guilt Trip. Is it just me? It's probably just me, Lord. I probably should do that. I probably should. Yeah. I think I will. So what we're gonna use today is Heroin from MAC. I think that'll be perfect with this. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. I hope that you really enjoyed watching me put this together. Y'all knew I was going to do the absolute most, you know. Put some colors together that may and may not belong together. Who's to say, you know? Ain't no rules in makeup, especially not on my channel. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet, baby girl, because you know that I need you to come on back. And I'll see y'all on my next upload. Bye.